We're excited to help you achieve a beautiful, healthy smile with your new clear aligners. And while taking care of your trays may come with a learning curve, we're here to help. First things first, the most important thing you can do is to follow your treatment plan as directed. You'll need to wear your trays for at least 20 to 22 hours daily, only removing them to eat, drink, or participate in physical activities. We'll let you know when it's time to switch to your next set of trays, so attending all of your appointments is key. We strongly discourage DIY attempts to speed up the treatment process. This may cause adverse effects on your smile or even extend your treatment time. When it comes to cleaning your aligner trays, we recommend gently brushing your trays after each meal using a soft toothbrush and cool water. Remember, don't use hot water as it could deform your trays and extend your treatment time. Aligners not cleaned daily can also lose their transparency and develop a terrible taste and smell from bacteria. To best protect your aligners, you should always store them in their protective carrying case when you're not wearing them. This case is a shield against physical damage and germy threats. Keep them out of reach of pets, as they can be attracted to the smell and will chew them up. If you lose or damage your aligner, call our office and we'll guide you on the next steps. Stay in touch with our team for any questions or concerns throughout your treatment. We are confident you'll love the results, and we look forward to seeing your smile transform.